Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to add photo widgets in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add a photo widget, then simply press and hold on any app and click on Edit Home Screen. And on top you can see the option Edit. Now simply click on Edit and then click on Add Widget. After that, here you can see all the widgets here, and if you want to add a photo widget, then simply search here photo, and here you can add your photo widget you want to add. Then simply click on Add Widget. Your photo widget will be added. So this is the way to add photo widget in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.